Hi everyone, Sam here. Today I'm going to show you how we can build basic body structure of HTML that we can use in any web. So, while you're waiting, let's go to the video. You need to first create a new folder name I called HTML structure. Then you need to open the Visual Studio Code inside the folder. To do that, go to the file location bar and type cmd. Then type code space dot in command. Then the VS Code will be open. After, you need to create a file called index.html. Then you need to create two another folders. One is CSS, another one is JS. So inside CSS folder you can create styles.css, and inside JS folder you can create a file script.js. So initially these two files are empty for now, but if you use styles or JavaScript codes, then you can use it. So let's move to the index.html. So in here nowadays we use HTML5 updated version. So initialized that HTML5 version, we use doctype HTML tag. Then we type HTML tag. Inside this HTML tag, we can declare all the tags. So this is a opening tag. The tag which have a slash symbol is a closing tag. So in this tag we can declare major two parts of the HTML tag, which is head element or head tag, or the body element or body tag. If you want to show the website preview, then you can go to index file and right click and press show preview option. Then you can see the website or empty website in here. So in head, what contain in head element? The head element containing the title of the website and all the metadata. You can change the title using title tag. I change my title as my website. So here's my title changed to my website, and I can declare the metadata as well. So what is metadata? Metadata is basically the website details which user cannot visible. I will talk about the metadata in another video. So basically metadata have two attributes, like name attribute and the content attribute. In name attribute we can declare the property. So like I can declare the author. It's nothing but the author is me, who is the author of the website. Then I can declare the property value inside the content attribute. Let's say our author is Anne, like so. Then you can declare any meta tags. In body tag they have four major tags. One is header tag, second is navigation tag, third is main tag, last one is footer tag. So let's talk about one by one. In header tag, you can see most of the website they have a header tag which is useful to show the company logo or welcome text like that. So we can add here company logo or welcome text, whatever you want. So in navigation tag, yeah, most of the website you see always they have a navigation bar, and you can navigate through web pages. You can navigate one web page to another page. So these all is using navigation items. So we can use navigation bar to inside the navigation item like home, about us, and contact like that. But you see, all the things in the navigation bar is not just a text. It's all the links or hyperlinks to another page. So if we want to create a hyperlink, then we can use simply just a href tag, like then we can add the name to our hyperlink. I say home. Then in href here we pass the path to our home page. What's our file name to our home page is say home.html. Then we can click here and go to the home.html, but we didn't declare any home.html file in here. That's why we occur that error message. Like this, you can add any navigation items as you wish. In third item, in the main item, the majority of the component in the website is containing in the main tag. In main tag, you can add paragraph using p tags. Like this is a paragraph, and also if you want to insert the image, I imported the image real estate. So let's say you want to import an image to your main tag, then you can simply just type image tag using source. You can simply type the location or path to your image. This is a real estate. You can see the image is imported, but they have a problem because the image is very large. We can't see clear, so that's why they have some property attributes here. Like I can give my image with like 320. So the image is so small. Now image is very clear. Like this, you can adjust your image with height, transparency, whatever property you like. So basically the main part is containing all the component of the majority component of the website. Then last item is footer. The footer item contain all the footer details about the website, like the contact details, copyright details, location details, like that. You see in majority website using footer to contain that details. So you can basically type the small tag to write the copyright. Copyright at ABC company, like that, can type it. This is a basic structure of our HTML file. So they have two things to do. So first one is we need to connect style.css and script.js file is to our HTML file, and last thing is we need to check the connection. To do style connection, we are going to the header tag. The bottom of the header tag, we add just a link tag. In here we add a rel and style sheet. This is a default keyword, and also we want to add href attribute. In href attribute, we enter the file location or path to our style.css is in CSS folder. So we need to pass CSS folder style.css, and also the same to do script.js file. We go to just below the footer tag and type script tag, and inside the script opening tag we add source attribute and just pass the location of our script.js. It is in js folder script.js. So in that way we successfully imported these two files into our HTML file. So to check, I'm going to change my body element color using style.css. So I'm going to style.css and type body and square brackets, curly brackets. Then I type background color into blue violet. Yes. the background color has changed, then you can see our connection is successful. So in that way you can basically create a basic structure of a HTML file to any web development. So save this as a template for your future projects. I will upload these codes in the comment section and the description. You can download it from my GitHub. If you find this useful, then subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, hit the like icon, share it among your friends. So, goodbye for now. Let's see you in another video.